Hey guys, what's going on? Rhett here down in Birmingham looking at another client's property today. And this property is really unique because it has something that I have not seen in a very, very long time. We're gonna walk through it and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about what that is, why it's so rare, and what we can do to fix it. My client right now has this under contract for $70,000 and we're hoping it doesn't need that much rehab. So initially when I was driving up, the roof is bad. So it's got a bad roof. We need to put a new roof on. It's got patchwork. It has patchwork that's peeling. It has decking that is exposed. So the shingles are gone. The asphalt paper underneath the shingles are gone, and the decking is exposed to the sun. Not good. Not a good situation. So guys, come on in. Okay. It's a 3-bedroom house. All right, guys. And the first thing that absolutely hits you in the face, like a ton of bricks, is the smell of dog. It smells like a kennel, okay? So this room in particular, guys, the paint looks great, the layout is great, the smell is terrible, and the carpet's bad. The carpet is a little crunchy. It's kind of gross, okay? So number one, we need to pull all the carpets, take all the carpets out of this whole house, okay? That's number one. We gotta bust the door right here. We're gonna replace this door. Okay, guys, as we're walking through, you can see that underneath we have a hole, okay, from something that's been chewing in here, okay? Got to put some new light fixtures in here as well. But again, everything else looks good. All the outlets have been changed. Those are all brand new outlets, guys. All 2-prong outlets, which shows us the house isn't grounded, but that's okay. That'll pass. That's good. Working into here, guys. Again, another hole in the carpet. Now, what I want to talk to you about this floor. So, this floor, when you build a subfloor, guys, for anything, you always want to use 3/4 inch plywood, okay, for your subfloors. That's not what this is. This is more of a particle board, okay? It's not as thick. It's a big problem. It means that the subfloor was built with the wrong kind of wood, okay? It's not as thick and it's not as structurally sound as say normal 3/4 inch plywood is. So will we run into issues with that? Probably not. Are we gonna pull up all the plywood and redo all the floors underneath and put down a new subfloor? We're not gonna do that, no. But it just shows you though that that was done incorrectly. So the person that did it didn't do it right. Now, what we will do is we'll go in, we'll tear all this carpet up, put new carpet in, new light fixtures, guys. Other than that, it's in really, really good shape on the inside. So coming in here, guys, we're looking at another nice bedroom, kind of a carbon copy of that other bedroom. We have our closet over here. We have nice paint. We have new outlets. You know, somebody did a nice job with some things here, but they didn't touch some of the other things. And it's always the things that people don't fix, of course, are the most expensive ones. For example, the roof, okay? Coming in here, guys, really nice kitchen. Don't have to do any work in here. Really good shape in here. This kitchen looks really, really good. Coming back here to our bathroom. Bathroom looks really good. Okay, we have our full bath. This is the only bath in the house. Everything looks really good in here, guys. So feeling good about this as well. And then lastly, we have our laundry room, our water heater, and we have our final bedroom back here, okay? Somebody has even built out a closet. This is fairly new, okay? It's a nice, really nice layout, guys. I really like this house. So when we're talking about doing new carpet, and we're talking about doing the roof is expensive. And the carpet, it's a good amount of carpet. We got to rip all this up, dispose of all this, put new carpet in. So, you know, we're adding up pretty quick because roofs are expensive and we're putting new carpets in, which aren't terribly expensive. But I have another problem. I have another issue, and everything looks great until we go out in the backyard. Okay? And guys, that's why we always check the homes completely, okay? Because pictures don't show you everything, okay? And these were not in the pictures. All right, guys, so what we have here is a good old-fashioned sinkhole, okay? It's a good old-fashioned sinkhole. Now, what this pipe going across is our sewer pipe, okay? Now, this sewer pipe is leading from our house through the back and into the alley. Now, in Birmingham, and if you guys are on sewer, okay, a lot of times the sewer is in the alleys. That's usually where the sewer runs. So what happens is this cast iron pipe leads from your house to the back of your property, and then the main sewer system runs across the whole way, and then everybody's independent pipes match up to the sewer, okay? And then everything goes into the big sewer system. This is a big issue. What we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to lay gravel underneath. We're gonna have to come in here with a couple truckloads of dirt and fill this thing in, okay? We're gonna put gravel, maybe some sand underneath, because we don't want the dirt to just keep going down and down and down. We don't know, you know, really what we're getting into until we clean this thing up. People have been throwing trash in here. We gotta clean this trash out. There's particle board in here, OSB, someone's been dumping in here. So we have to, you know, figure this thing out, guys, and make sure we fill this, make it safe. Otherwise, we're in big trouble. So otherwise, guys, you know, it looks pretty good. Again, we're gonna have to put a new roof on it, and you can't see a lot of the damage from this side, and I don't really wanna walk on their property to show you, but it needs a new roof, and we'll do that quickly. This, it might take a little bit more time, because when we have a sinkhole, we have to put the dirt in and let it sit, let it rest. And then once it rests, we'll put more in. And then once that rests, we'll put more in, okay? So this is gonna be a lot of work, and the roof and the carpet. So gonna have to dive in and see if this is gonna be the right property for us. You know, I really like it. I think that with the right amount of work, we can get this thing done and get it taken care of. So guys, please, I know maybe a lot of you have not seen sinkholes before or seen something like this. If you have, tell me about it. Drop your comments and questions below, and I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.